Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 26. For this level, they didn't provide us with much information. They just said we did a great job at getting a shell, and now we need to hurry and grab the password for Bandit 27. Let's head over to the terminal. I'll run over the login process for the current level again. However, if you have trouble keeping up with the next few steps, I'd recommend you watch the previous video where I explain in detail why and how everything works. I'll link it here. So we want to log in. I stored our password locally. Don't forget to resize your screen. We paste it, hit enter, and we infiltrated the more filter. So now we can resize. We hit V to enter edit mode. We now want to create a subshell. Remember, the shell is still set to show text. So first we'll need to change that, because we want a bash shell. We do that in the following way. We hit enter, we hit colon, and we create our shell. These are the files that we have available. The text.txt was this Bandit 26 logo right here. So we'll use this bandit27-do file. It is a setuid executable. And it has Bandit27 permissions. So that means when we'll execute this file, in that instance, the Bandit27 permissions will be added to our current Bandit26 permissions, because this is character is set right here. I went over the details of these permissions in the level 19 video, and in fact, our next steps will also be similar to that level. So let's execute this file. So here we can run a command as another user. Let's do the example. And in fact, in this instance that we run the file, we have Bandit26 and Bandit27 permissions. So in this instance, we can read the Bandit27 password file. So let's do that. And we successfully obtained our file. Now we don't want to put quotes around these, because we want the executable to treat both of these as separate arguments. Don't forget to store or copy your password, because later we'll want to use it to log in to Bandit27. Let's log out and register our completion of level 26. Here we can't use the logout command, because we didn't actually log into this shell. Remember, we started it from the Ven editor. So we can either use exit or Ctrl D. Then we log out of this editor by hitting :Q. We exit the more filter by hitting Q, and then we log in again. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 26, we type the reachal command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's head over to the reachal website to verify. We update. Congratulations on completing level 26. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.